Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 1120. First, gather all your essential business records, including income statements, balance sheets, and any other financial documents. Next, accurately identify your corporation's name, address, and employer identification number, or EIN, in the designated fields. It's also crucial to determine your accounting method, which is usually either accrual or cash basis, as this impacts how you report income and expenses. Having these details ready makes the process much smoother. Moving on to the key sections, you'll start by reporting your gross receipts or sales on line 1A, making sure to subtract any returns and allowances. If your business sells products, the cost of goods sold will go on line 2. After accounting for various income streams, you'll calculate and enter your total income on line 11. Don't forget to complete Schedule E, where you'll list all officers and their compensation, ensuring all details are accurate for proper reporting. Now, let's tackle income and deduction calculations. You'll need to meticulously sum all your allowable business expenses to arrive at your total deductions. This includes common items like salaries and wages, repairs, and rent paid. Once you have your total deductions, subtract this amount from your total income to determine your corporation's taxable income. Finally, apply the current corporate tax rate to this taxable income to accurately calculate your total tax liability for the period. To finalize and file Form 1120, a thorough review of all entries is essential to ensure accuracy and completeness before signing. Make sure to attach any required schedules, such as Schedule K1 for shareholders, if applicable to your corporation. An authorized officer must then sign and date the form in the designated area. Finally, submit your completed Form 1120 to the IRS by the due date, which is typically March 15, to avoid any penalties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.